Hello, my loves, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you took the time to join me again today. And how you guys doing today? Because up here, we are yet having another winter storm in the northeast of the United States. And so I would ask all of my friends to please be safe and warm out there. Please take a moment and hit the red subscribe button below, and you can also hit the bell that's right next to it, because that is the only way that you will be alerted to each and every time I post videos on the YT. Today I'm so proud to spend a little bit of time with you, and this is going to be an unboxing video, and this video is sponsored by DETOX pads. And I'd just like to share with you a little bit about this brand, and I'll put a picture in it so that you can see it. This brand is DETOX foot pads, and these foot pads are to be put on your feet after you wash and cleanse your feet. They recommend that you put them on your feet before you go to sleep, and that you remove the pads anywhere between 6 to 10 hours after that. And it says you can use soapy water if there's any residue on your feet. Now what happens is, and I'll put a picture up, after you let the pad stay on your feet and you get up in the morning, because it takes the toxins or removes the toxins from your body, the foot pad will look sort of like this. And I hope you can see. And so when you get the foot pad, and this is an unboxing, here are all the colors. Hope you can see. Let me get closer to me. Here are all the colors. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that come in this package. And as I said before, these are all natural, and the company says they are not tested on animals. Now, I am by no means giving medical advice or anything. I'm just reading to you what the company says about the health benefits of using these pads. They say that they aid in relaxation and reduces stress, releases harmful toxins from your body, increases the metabolic activity, increases energy levels, reduces fatigue, pain relief, and helps reduce inflammation, aids in weight loss even, improves your digestion, cleanses, and rejuvenates the skin. I would ask that you look at the link that I'm going to link below this video, and that you order a pair of these all-natural DETOX pads. I'm sure that you can find a use for them in your regular health and beauty regimen. But of course, this is my own opinion on this brand. Even though this is a sponsored video, you can rest assured that I will only give favorable reviews to those products that I think that are helpful to my family here on the YT. So I look forward to you having comments down below. Let's talk, let's share. So I would ask that you please take the time to hit again the red subscribe button below, and that you also hit the like button so that we can dialogue as we continue on our journey. Again, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Bye.